Ads. We've all seen crypto projects promising the sun, moon, and stars, and then delivering absolutely nothing. But what if a project actually built a fully working trading app and got it triple audited by the top security firms before even launching? Well, would you believe it? I've actually found one, and the early access window, lads, it's about to close. Just so you know, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. So, ladies and gents, as I said, welcome back to the channel. We're at it again. The BlockchainFX pre-sale has just hit a whopping 14 million milestone. Alright, we're talking about a project that's backed by a global community of over 22,000 holders. Lads, that's huge. Now, the overall hard cap is strictly set at $15 million, which means the pre-sale is in its absolute final stage. That's going to sell out very, very soon. So if we actually have a look here, you can see we've got the live beta platform. This actually looks fairly cool. Unlike 99% of pre-sales that just give you a white paper, BlockchainFX already has a live, working trading super app. Alright, the overall interface here, lads, is super smooth. You can see that yourselves. Pretty cool, pretty class. Up here, you can see you can actually change the charts. You can change it like this, yeah? You can change loads of different things here. You can add multiple charts as well. And honestly, with just one click, it's actually different compared to other platforms. Not only that, you can pick between stocks. Alright, we even have Forex. You can pick Forex too. You can even go for commodities. Gold is absolutely flying at the minute. And then we can even pick crypto. But I want you all to understand, there's loads of different things you can do here. Now, down at the very bottom left, you'll see you can pick the chart types. For example, bars, candles, lines, you know yourself. You can even pick different strategies as well. Alright, you can even see here, you can add different graphical tools as well, like a horizontal line, a trend line, or a vertical line. You can even throw in loads of different indicators. So, just to show you all here, what we can actually add, yeah, as I said, I'm just going to switch this back, and you can see, you can zoom in here handy enough. I have to say, I like this, folks. It's very, very intuitive. Up here, we've got our balance. You can see it right there, and it's easy to make deposits. You can see here, this little plus sign. You can add any ticker symbol you want. But again, from Forex, stocks, crypto, commodities, ETFs, indices, whatever you like. You can even set up a watch list yourself. We've got worldwide options here. Looks like we've got Saudi Arabia as well. You can see, just click through here and you'll see everything that's on offer. Right, so Dash, which is probably one of my favorites. Now, over here you can pick the quantities. You can even pick the leverage. Alright, it's actually fairly cool. Easy to change. You can even see right here, we've got the post value. Yeah, we've got margin as well. We've got the TP, which stands for target price. And then we even have SL, which means stop loss. You can buy, which means you're betting the price will go up, just like that arrow shows. And you can even sell, betting the price is going down. But I want you all to get this. I mean, this right here, it's class. This is a brilliant platform. And as far as I know, lads, one of their main priorities is obviously secure. That's a big deal. So, the overall project smart contract. I want you all to get this for BlockchainFX. They've been put through the ringer by the top 3 security firms in the world. Yeah? You know yourselves, we've got Certic, CoInsult, and Solid Proof. So, technically, this gives you serious peace of mind, especially if you're one of the early investors. So if you're interested, and because they are celebrating the final push to $15 million, you can actually get a whopping 50% token bonus on your purchase right now. Now, you'll need to use a special code. Well, it's YT50. Just pop that in at the checkout. And listen, this offer only lasts until they hit the hard cap. They've literally just gone past $14 million, so it's really important. Yeah? And not only that, lads, but if you're part of this platform, right, if you're holding the token, I want you to know you can keep them safe in your own wallets. And once you do that, keeping them safe in your wallet, you'll be able to earn a share, up to 70% of the platform's generated trading profits. Alright? And it's also been confirmed, there were loads of rumors, but they do actually have major centralized exchange listings already sorted and ready to go as soon as it launches. This'll be once the whole thing goes live. So, if you can, make sure to have a look at it. Don't miss out on this brilliant platform. Once again, there's your portfolio, trading history, and chat support, and loads more, lads. They are all set to go. So, make sure you have a look, dive in, and let me know exactly what you think. There you have it now, ladies and gents. Stop taking chances on empty promises and back a project that actually has a working, fully audited platform. And don't forget to click the link down below in the description. Use that code, YT50, to get yourself 50% more tokens, basically. And not only that, lads, make sure you secure your stash before the pre-sale officially ends, or before it actually sells out, which will be very soon. So, once again, have a look at that link. Give that like button a bash, hit subscribe, or leave a comment down below.